Okay, so in this lecture, we are going to install the AWS CLI on Windows. So for this, honestly, the best thing you do is go on Google and type install the AWS CLI on Windows. And the reason I'm doing this is because if in the future Amazon just updates the way they want you to install the CLI, then you have the source of truth right here. So the best way and the easiest way, I'll be honest with you, is to use the MSI installer. So you just click on which MSI installer you want to install. For me, I have 64-bit of Windows, so I'll just click on this one. I'll run the file, and basically this installer is an all-in-one packaged way of installing the CLI for your command line interface. If you wanted to go really, really hard, you would go down at the bottom and start dealing with Python and pip, and this will be honestly a little bit more complicated. So the best way again is to use the MSI installer. When it starts, click on Next, accept the license term agreements, click on Next again, and this is where the CLI will be saved. We'll click on Next and click on Install. You may get a security prompt, just say yes, and the install will go through. When the installation is finished, go in the command line and type cmd to open a command prompt. Here you get to a random directory, but if you type AWS ---- version, you should be seeing the fact that it gives you the version of the AWS CLI, which for me is going to be 1.16.19. Obviously, this CLI gets updated pretty often, so you may get a newer version. Then it also gives you information about the Python version that is bundled with it, the version of your Windows, and the version of Botocore, which we'll see is the SDK of Python. So that's it for Windows, but once you get there, perfect. I will see you in the next lecture.